Today we got a video from Crime Time Cam, and the title of the video is entitled "Woman Refuses to Leave After Hooking Up, Ends Badly."
On March 7, 2025, officers responded to a call of a domestic disturbance.
Damn, you can hear them all the way down the hall. Oh, there they are.
Should I talk to you down here, ma'am, and then you talk to us officers? We gotta separate you guys. All right, I'll talk. Hey, sir, could you come down here and talk to me, please? Can you come down here and talk to me, sir? Come on. Yeah. So what's going on? Let's turn the lights on. What's going on?
So, I've been here for a little while. I have every video.
Video as far as what?
What's that?
What's going on?
I've asked her to peacefully leave so many times. She's spilling her drink. She's got 2 ciggies in her hand.
It smells like you've been drinking a little bit too, everybody, today.
Yeah, I'm good. Like, I've been sleeping.
Right. But what happened today?
I called because I peacefully asked her to leave several times, which I have on camera.
Does she reside here?
No.
Okay. Does she have any belongings in here?
No.
Focus, man. Get that video. Oh,
Can you stop whatever it is that you're showing me and explain to me what happened? Just let's go down here. I can't even hear you because she's screaming. So
he's wasted too.
She's a friend from, like, I run Flex nightclub, District 8. She's a regular customer, right? We've hung out a few times before. She came over tonight. I actually gave her the code to get in, right? And then when I was ready to go to sleep, she was in here. So and then I came over because she's done shot. I'm up in bed. She's down here. I'm like, it's not even like,
So you just want her to leave?
that's it.
So you guys just had an verbal argument and
That's it. I have every. I will show you, like, if you will, just like, you can hear it. Like, I just want to show you.
I don't need to see that if
I'm just peacefully asking her to leave like a million times.
do you have any physical injuries on you?
No, she
Okay.
No, there's no.
Gotcha. How long has she been here? Just for the night?
She's been here for probably like 2 days.
Alright. So give me 1 second. Could you wait down there for me? Just wait down here. Okay, so pretty much she's been here for a couple hours. He just wants her to leave. That's it. It's just a 41.
If you have anything in here?
No, nothing. She's literally been here for 2 hours after I guess they were at a nightclub.
He did not try to kick me out. But anyway, can I get my bag?
Where's her bag at?
I just don't appreciate his ass trying to make it seem like I'm endangering him. That's fucked up. It's like, nigga, you literally gave me your code to come into your crib.
Could you get your bag so you can leave, please?
Yeah.
I'm gonna have to.
I mean, are you able to?
No, I mean, so I went from my she'll have to wait, but I definitely doing that.
Where my bag at? Ask him.
Hey, where's her bag? Alright, we're not playing this game at all. Hey, where's her bag at, dude? So listen, we're trying to get her to leave. Let's just get her stuff so she can go. Yeah. Huh? Is there a bag in here?
Not that I
No. He said no. Alright, just wait down there.
Where's my bag?
Alright, man, let's go.
Are you gonna get mine?
There's no bag in there. What are you talking about? Hey, man, listen. I've been really reasonable and being nice to you, and I'm trying to. You're over talking to me, but you've been drinking.
That's
so
okay.
Listen, let's go. We don't got time for this. Seriously,
No,
let's go.
I have time. My
Okay.
bag is in there.
Okay. Well, it's not there. So,
Yes,
so now
it
what?
is. What are you
All right, let's go.
talking
Come on.
about? My
Let's go. Hey, look.
ID is in
I'm gonna ask you
there.
one more time, and then I'm just gonna take you into
Josh,
custody.
are you for real? Where's my bag? Go get my bag. I don't give a fuck about that, nigga.
All right.
Where's my bag at? What you gonna do? For what?
This dog.
For what? Because you don't have my
You're
bag.
being March Madness because you're intoxicated and you're a threat
Bro,
to
how you know
yourself
that?
and everybody else.
How you know I'm intoxicated?
I just told you.
No, the fuck you don't. You don't know nothing about nothing. How am I intoxicated? Wait.
I got you, bro.
Get my bag. Can you get my bag?
Nope. We gave you multiple chances.
Bro, my bag in there. You didn't give me no chance.
Ebro, one more time. Ebro, one more time.
Nah, baby, he's trying to talk like he got my bag.
You been
Damn. He knocked her off and got her arrested. Ain't that something? Damn. Damn, he dusted her off and want to send her packing. Savage, man. Savage, man. Damn, she can't even stay the night. She can't even stay the night. You just went to the club, picked her up, sent her through, cracked, sent her packing. Like, yo. See this, but this is the downside. Like, yeah, hanging out with people and stuff like that. Like, come on, we all adults here. We understand what's going on, you know. But when drinking is involved, it just, you don't know how people react to when drinking. Like, if they were sober or whatever and just chilling and hanging out, whatever, she might be a little bit more reasonable. But the fact that they're both under the influence, you know, she's loud, obnoxious, you know what I mean, causing a scene, don't want to leave, you know, she don't stay there. So it's like, you got, you know, it's like, it's foul, but, you know, he probably like, your services are no longer needed. You know, like, it's foul, but I'm just saying, you know, damn, man. Man, now she gotta go to jail. But then the one thing that's alarming to me is, why would you give her the code? Like, you that lazy to not go downstairs and let her in or whatever? You gave her the code to the spot. So it's not like they're gonna keep changing the codes and all of that type of stuff to the building or whatever. So when she gets out, if she's really like a stalker type or anything, she gonna pop up. You know, I remember I had a stalker one time, man. It's not fun, man. You know, it's not fun, man. Like, it's just, luckily she didn't have the code to my building, you know, but I would go to the car, and I would go to my car and stuff, and I see notes on the dash and all that. Like, it was popping up at the job and all, like, it was bad. Like, I was like, damn, like, it was so bad. I ain't gonna lie. It was so bad. And and I'm gonna tell you something right now. Nah, we not even gonna get into that. This ain't one of them episodes, man. Maybe on a live or something we could get into it, but this ain't one of those. Let's just continue, man.
very nice. We're 10:15.
My bag literally in his crib. Now he's talking about I gave you all these chances.
We did. It's on camera. It's on camera.
My bag in there. Yo, I don't give a fuck about none of that. I'm gonna go home, so shit, you wanna do all that? Cool.
Let's go.
You wanna be an example, bitch? Be one.
I'll take her.
Yeah, do it. Cause I promise you, I'm going home, bitch.
Ebro,
What you talking about? I ain't even break a law. What crime you gonna lock me up for? What crime?
Damn, it's almost 10 in the morning.
What crime? Tell me a crime. What crime?
Come on, man. Come on, let's go. Get up.
What crime?
Come on.
What crime?
You're being difficult.
What crime? Because you ain't get my bag?
Because you drunk.
Nigga! You need a ow! You need breath loss me. What you talking about?
Get in the car.
Stupido?
Get in the car.
What you talking
Stupido.
about? Open my phone.
All right.
Can you answer my
Get
phone?
in.
I can tell my husband.
Just pat her down real quick.
Answer my phone.
All right, get in.
Now, get my
Get in.
phone back.
Get in the car.
Get my phone back.
Listen.
I can get my phone right now.
If you don't get in, I'm gonna pull you in.
Get my phone.
Sit in the car.
Get my phone.
Get in the car.
Get my phone.
Get in the car.
Get my phone.
Get in the car.
Where's my phone?
Get in the car.
Where's my phone?
Get in the car.
I want my phone. So
In the car.
my husband.
Get in the car.
Yeah, because I didn't even do shit to y'all.
Yep.
Oh, you talking about where's...
Listen, this officer should do her job.
Okay. She ain't even here for that. Anyway, you dead wrong for trying to put me in this fucking car.
I'm sorry, Amani.
Stupido.
Got you. You're right.
Eso pinche stupido.
You're right.
No mames, amo.
Okay.
Okay. Get my shit back.
Get out.
Get my shit back.
I'm right here, Amani.
All right. Okay. monkey shit that. I'll pay for that.
You're riding your base?
I got a monkey car. The fuck are you talking about? Y'all trying to act like I'm a criminal and I'm weird. Like, what the fuck? You didn't even have no reason to put me in here. Stupido! Stupido! Pinche stupido! Dale mi pinche teléfono!
Hey, relax.
No!
Relax.
I'm not, look at my titties out! What the fuck would I be relaxed about? My titties are out! I would never pull my titties out!
Ma'am, you're fine.
I don't give a fuck! No man, what that?
Well, then face
Stop on!
if you're worried about that.
1020 be in the alley showing within 30 feet of 300 West Tyler. No answer on call back.
Pinche stupido!
James on 1, my bird 10-8-51.
Yeah. Do you feel dumb?
Robert 41 downtown 1, don't see a 10-8. It was
dumb as
accidental.
fuck. Because I didn't do shit! Stupid! Pinche pendejo!
Oh, that's how you said
I didn't do shit to you!
All right.
Stupido! Go ahead, I don't got shit in there. You want to
Downtown 1, just want to make sure you copy Penny. This
I think you do.
Simple.
I think you do.
All right, let's not do that.
If you, well, shit. If you wanna get this close, you wanna feel my tetas. Obviously, you want something from me, huh? What?
I'm just trying to search you.
Okay, I don't got shit. He should have searched me before he put me in this goddamn handcuffs.
Listen.
That's what you should have did.
Come on.
Before you want to be all lawful and shit, you should have shake me, bitch.
You want me to zip this back up?
Yes.
Okay.
I feel violated. I'm out here naked as he see my titties. He see my titties. Oh
Right,
no,
face to the
mommy.
car.
No, mommy. Free me.
Ma'am, stop. Just stop.
Yeah,
Please.
no. Oh, stop. After you.
Hey, stop. Now, listen.
Hell
You're doing too
no.
much. Stop. Stop.
I'm not doing shit.
Now you
You
listen.
did too much.
Stop.
Listen.
Stop.
I didn't even
Stop.
do nothing.
Listen.
I didn't even move.
Ma'am, let's talk.
Why you gotta grab
Well,
my
listen.
arm up on the door?
Stand
I didn't
still.
even do shit.
Stand still. They will search you. When you're done, you'll go back in the car.
Cabron.
Okay,
Maricon.
sure.
That's what he is.
Okay.
That's pinche maricon.
How about this?
Le gusta pito. Le gusta la pito.
You realize I understand Spanish.
Take it.
Everything you're
I don't
saying.
give a fuck about that.
Nah, sit in now. Sit down.
Sit me down for what?
You copy your
To go get my keys?
Sit down and take your shoes off.
Nah, hell no. You wrong for that. You grab my leg. I like that. I like that little bit, puppy.
Put the shoe on.
Dame lo.
Get up. Get up. Sit down. Sit down. Ma'am, stop. Sit down, please.
Dame
You want any narcotics or
Get-
drink?
sit down.
lo.
Get
No.
in. Get in.
Behavior's erratic.
Get in.
What the fuck? Hell.
Have a seat.
The woman was charged with disorderly conduct and resisting arrest. Thanks for watching today's video.
I see why he sent her packing, man. You know, here for a good time, not a long time. You know, oh man, yeah, she was probably a handful. She was probably a handful because the other guy, you know, he's intoxicated too, of course, but he's chill, he's calm. You know, he's just like similar to like he kind of look high. You know, when people high, they just like, you know, like lazy. You know, you weed smokers know what I'm talking about. Y'all be like on some laid back shit. You know, that's kind of the drunk that he is. He's kind of like mellowed out, where she's drinking and she turns it up. Like it's just, oh man, probably gives you a headache, you know. But yeah, you know, dusted her off, sent her packing. She didn't want to leave, get locked up. That's crazy, man. Damn. The ShyGotEm Correctional Facility is now open, where we specialize in act right and getting them together. If you want to become an officer, check out the YouTube membership. If you want to be a sergeant or above, check out the Patreon. Your support helps the channel keep going, and I hope to see you in lineup.